Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering only what you need: a soft cloth, a soft bristled toothbrush, a small bowl, and mild dish soap mixed in about 1/2 cup warm water. You should check the clasp and any settings for looseness and remove detachable parts. Once ready, submerge the necklace and let it soak for 5–10 minutes so grime softens. After soaking, use the toothbrush with light pressure to dislodge dirt. Focus on links and clasps, so you're cleaning without scratching the steel. Once the basic dirt is gone, treat stubborn spots with a baking soda paste made from 1 teaspoon baking soda and a few drops of water. Baking soda is mildly abrasive and lifts residues without harming stainless steel. Apply the paste carefully and work it in with the toothbrush. Use a cotton swab for tight crevices and around settings. Make sure to rinse thoroughly under warm running water to remove all residue and grit, because leftover particles can cause abrasion. Then shake off excess water and pat the necklace dry with a lint-free. You finish by buffing the piece section by section with a microfiber or jewelry polishing cloth for 1 to 2 minutes each. This restores shine and removes fine residues. Once done, optionally apply a tiny amount of mineral or baby oil and wipe off the excess to enhance luster. Make sure to remove oily film from crevices. If you see persistent discoloration or visible scratches, stop and consider a jeweler's polishing cloth or professional cleaning. This prevents worsening damage and addresses problems beyond home methods.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.